Now see examples on liquid state. The surface tension of a toluene at 293 Kelvin is 0.028 Newton per meter and its density is 0.866 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube. If the surface tension of water is 0.07275 Newton per meter and its density is 0.9982 kg per meter cube, calculate the ratio of number of drops of liquid to the number of depths of water. Now see, in this example, the experimental liquid, first of all given data. What is experimental liquid? Toluene is experimental liquid. Experimental liquid is toluene. And reference liquid is water. Now here calculate the ratio of number of drops of liquid. Liquid means experimental liquid to that of water. Means we have to calculate the ratio of number of drops of toluene to the number of drops of water. Now see, here the surface tension of toluene is, that's why since it is experimental liquid, that's why the number of drops are N2, then surface tension gamma 2 and density D2, and for water N1, gamma 1 and D1. Getting it? Now the surface tension of toluene is, that's why gamma 2 is, what is it? 0.028 Newton per meter, and density is, means D2 is, what is it? 0.866 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube. If the surface tension of water is, means gamma 1 is 0.0725 Newton per meter, and density of water is, that's why D1 is 0.998 so many kg meter cube. Then calculate the ratio of number of drops of experimental liquid. Liquid means experimental liquid, that is toluene, and N2 to N1, this we have to calculate. Now formula, you know the formula. In previous period we come to know that the relative surface tension, that is gamma 2 upon gamma 1, gamma 2 upon gamma 1 is equals to N1 D2 upon N2 D1. Now you want to calculate the N2 upon N1, that's why cross multiplication, N2 upon N1 is equals to gamma 1 D2 upon gamma 2 D1. Put all these all these four values. Now gamma 1 becomes 0.07275 into see 0.998 into 10 raised to power, here 10 raised to power 3 is there, here 10 raised to power 3 is there. Now gamma 1 is equals to this one multiplied by density of toluene, that is D2, it will be 0.866 into 10 raised to power 3. All units are MKS. Again gamma 2 0.028 multiplied by D1, that is 0.9982 into 10 raised to power 3. All units are MKS, that's why no need to convert any quantity, that's why after solving this you will get 2.25. Since it is a ratio, that's why there is no unit. In this way, the ratio of number of drops of toluene to the number of drops of water is 2.25. Now see second example, the coefficient of viscosity of two liquids at 298 Kelvin is 1.40 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per meter second inverse and 1.594 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg meter raised to minus 1 or second inverse, and their densities are 8.07 into 10 raised to power 2 kg per meter cube and 10.17 into 10 raised to power 2 kg per meter cube respectively. If the time of flow for the first liquid is 100 seconds, then calculate the time of flow for the second liquid. This problem is based on the coefficient of viscosity. That's why you know that the formula for coefficient of viscosity is eta 2 upon eta 1 is equals to T2 into D2 upon T1 into D1. And from the given data, the coefficient of viscosity for the first liquid means eta 1 given data. What is given? Eta 1 is equals to 1.408 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg meter inverse second inverse, and eta 2 is 1.594 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg meter inverse second inverse, and their densities are again D1 is equals to, what is the density of first liquid? 8.07 into 10 raised to power 2 kg per meter cube, and that of another liquid, that is D2, is 10.17 into 10 raised to power 2 kg per meter cube. And time of flow, if the time of flow of first liquid, that's why T1 is equals to 100 seconds, then you have to calculate T2, and T2 is obtained in second. Now after putting all these values, you have to calculate T1. That's why from this formula T1 is equals to eta 1 T2 D2 upon eta 2 into D1. In this way, this formula for the calculation of a T1, but we have to calculate a T2. That's why for T2 this formula becomes, what it becomes? Eta 2 equals to, you have to calculate T2, time of flow of liquid. That's why T2 is equals to eta 2 T1 D1 upon eta 1 into D2. Put all these all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. All 4 values are there. Eta 2, that is 1.594 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into T1, that is 100 second, that is D1 8.07 into 10 raised to power 2. Again at the denominator, eta 1 8.408 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into D2, density of second liquid 10.17 into 10 raised to power 2. All are in the same units. That's why again this 10 raised to power minus 3 get cancelled. This 2 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 2 get cancelled. Then after solving all these by using calculator, you will get 89.83 second. 89.83 second. Sometimes it may be 90 second also. All these two, both answer are correct. In this way, this is the time of flow of liquid for second liquid. Now this is about the problems. Both problems we have taken depending upon the surface tension, first problem, and depending on the coefficient of viscosity, second problem. Only there will be change in the values. Okay.